The most super healthy vegetables. Vegetables are excellent for health as they are very rich in minerals, fiber, and vitamins, and very low in calories. Some of the super healthy ones that stand out the most are as follows: red cabbage, purple cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, green cabbage, and broccoli. Red cabbage. Red cabbage, also called purple cabbage, is considered the most important of the 7 types of cabbage because it contains a very important amount of vitamin C, fiber, and anthocyanins. These anthocyanins are its bright reddish coloring, which is an antioxidant that effectively prevents the production of toxic free radicals. Among its outstanding benefits we can list: prevents loss of bone mass, osteoporosis, prevents heart and liver damage, promotes brain performance against Alzheimer's disease, protects the surface of the eye, the cornea, especially improving night vision, lowers cholesterol, blood pressure, and all kinds of inflammations. Its vitamin A produces collagen, creating a smooth, soft, and nourished skin. Although it is safe for consumption, eating it in excess can cause certain unwanted effects. These are some of its most serious consequences: hypothyroidism, failure of thyroid hormones, which attack the heart and nerves, interferences with blood anticoagulants, strong and uncontrolled nausea, loss of appetite, aggressive indigestion, continuous and stinking flatulence, swellings in different parts of the body, colic in babies when the nursing mother consumes it. Kale. It has a high component of unique antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and vitamins K, C, and A. Serious studies show that drinking its use may reduce blood pressure and bad LDL cholesterol, while increasing good HDL cholesterol. Its antioxidants assist the body in eliminating unwanted natural and environmental toxins. These toxins, called free radicals, are unstable molecules. If they accumulate in the body, they can cause a lot of damage to cells. This can result in various inflammation problems and conditions in the stomach, heart, skin, hair, eyes, bones, as well as diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. Certain people should avoid overeating it for the following reasons. It could seriously interfere with the activity of anticoagulant medication, such as warfarin, Coumadin, and Centrum. Those who use beta blockers for heart disease should consume all food high in potassium, such as this cabbage, in fairly moderation. For people whose kidneys cannot remove excess potassium from the blood, consuming that extra potassium from this vegetable could be fatal, a deadly food. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain camphorol, a super antioxidant effective in preventing cell damage. They are also very nutritious. Each serving provides a good amount of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, manganese, and potassium. Among its properties and benefits stand out: they are effective detoxifiers. It favors the immune system for being a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Significantly increases the overall energy of the whole body. Promotes bone and dental health. Excellent against anemia and snoring. The main contraindication is that due to its high vitamin K content, it is not recommended at all for people taking anticoagulant medication. Also, if consumed too much, will cause excessive gas and flatulence due to its sulfur compounds and fiber. So, it is not recommended for people with acute problems in the intestine or digestion, such as gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, and ulcers. So, it could be better to moderate its consumption a lot because it could also alter considerably the thyroid gland. Green cabbage. Green cabbage is a highly nutritious and very low-calorie vegetable. It is one of the best plant sources of calcium available, along with other leafy greens like soybeans and broccoli. It decreases fluid retention by regulating blood pressure. Because they are very rich in calcium, they might reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Its intake is also associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer, glaucoma, and anemia. Green cabbage has cholesterol-regulating antioxidant, depurative, satiating, diuretic, prebiotic, laxative, and rejuvenating properties. It also stands out for regulating intestinal flora and bone care. Green cabbage is also an important source of vitamin A, which aids in good vision and overall functioning of the immune system. This is evidenced by a study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine on PubMed. Contraindication. Consuming too much fiber without drinking a large amount of water can cause serious constipation. This happens because the absence of liquids hinders the sliding of feces through the intestines. Broccoli. Broccoli is abundant in glucosinolate and sulforaphane vegetable compounds that contain a lot of sulfur, which offer protective functions against cancers. 191-gram cup of raw broccoli provides 140% of the daily requirement of vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate, manganese, and potassium, in addition to low calories and carbohydrates. This is one of the most nutritious super vegetables. Its versatility allows it to be microwaved, baked, cooked, pureed, or smoothie shake. Because broccoli is very rich in vitamin K, it is not recommended at all for people who have irregular heart rhythm, artificial heart valves, or who have suffered heart attacks or tend to form blood clots, or those who follow a medical treatment with warfarin or Centrum medicines to avoid these pathologies. Exploring amazing things based on true story.